trusted the wicked. Thank you, Jessa, for sharing the live. Hello, it's Panda. Welcome. Feliz Catus, hello.
Maybe you ran with the wolves and refused to settle down. Maybe I've stormed out of every single room in this town. Threw out our cloaks and our daggers because it's morning now. It's brighter now. Now I don't wanna look at anything else now that I saw you.
Hi, Season. Tumigil ka, boo! Share the live na lang. I-share mo, repost mo na lang live ko, boo. Matuwa pa ako. Buti bawal makomment. Sawa, pakuha mo na si Yubo dito sa loob. Tatahol kasi to eh.
Like daylight.
Ala, wag ka muna matulog. Mamaya kita babatiin. Oh, maya na, Jisa! Thank you, Matari!
It's been sleeping so long in a 20th dark night. And now I see daylight. I see daylight. I only see daylight, 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 daylight. I only see daylight, 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 daylight. I only see daylight, 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 daylight.
Thank you, guys! Open tayo for tips. Yes! Yes, 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 yes! Wala akong -1 ng sarili kong kanta. Hi, Faithy! I miss you, baby! Hi, Nanay LV! Miss ka na namin. Sayang, di ka nakanood. Kala ko manonood ka. Sayang, guys, yung mga hindi nakanood nung performance ko. Pati sila Bubu. Hindi kami nagsama ngayon sa performance kasi magkaiba kami ng genre na pinerform nung Goddess Drag. Thank you, Lucifer. Ayan. Sige, pwede na tong viewers na to. Mag-start na tayo kasi malolobat na yung sound card. Di ako nakapag-charge. My God. Hi, Jake. Kamusta yung noo mo? Kala nyo, bababa ako, ah. Dami nyong alam, eh. Di ko na alam kantahin yung solo ko, to be honest. Matari, thank you. Mag-chill muna tayo. Wala pa akong warm up. Try natin to. Medyo mataas na kasi to eh. For me, di ako singer eh. Hitler, thank you. Mali, thank you guys.
Thank you. Stop the crying. It'll be alright. Just take my hand. Hold it tight. I will protect you. Don't you cry. For once so small, you seem so strong. My arms will hold you, you're safe and warm. This bond between us can't be broken. I will be here, don't you cry. 'Cause you'll be
pa akong practice.
Yes, you'll be my heart, no matter what they say. You'll be in my heart always. The way we feel,
Tama pa ba?
they just don't trust what they can't explain. I know we're different, but deep inside us, we're not that different at all. And you'll be my heart. Yes, you'll be my heart. From this day on, now and forevermore. Don't listen to them, 'cause what do they know? We need each other to have to hold the same time. I know when destiny calls you, you must be strong. I may not be with you, but you got to hold on. They'll see in time. I know, 'cause you'll be my heart. Yes, you'll be my heart. From this day on, now and forevermore. Thank you. You'll be my heart.
Yes, Ninong, paggrabe ka naman!
My heart. You'll be my heart always.
Mukha ba akong di naliligo, Ninong Spag? Thank you, Nanay Elby. Thank you, everyone. Okay, that's You'll Be in My Heart by Nikki. Promise, ipapractice ko pa yan. Thank you, Lucky Charms.
I want you to stay till I'm in the grave, till I run away, dead and buried, till I'm in the casket you carry. You go, I'm going too, 'cause it was always you. If I'm turning blue,
by Billie Eilish. Thank you everyone for dropping. Thank you for the gifts. Happy 518 Dayas. Kaya po natin to. Thank you, Lucky Charm. Let's go for animated gifts, guys, and let's reach this 30K cutie. Thank you. Thank you, Cassie. Sige, i-next natin si Old Love. Thank you, Kamski. Let's go for animated gifts, guys. Let's go for Corgi. Gotta change my answering machines now that I'm alone. Cause right now it's after we can't come to the phone. And I know it makes no sense, cause you walked out the door. But it's the only way I hear your voice anymore. It's ridiculous, it's been months. For some reason I just can't get over us. And I'm stronger than this. Enough is enough. No more walking around with my hair down. I'm so over being blue, crying over you. And I'm so sick of love songs, so tired of tears, so done with wishing she was still here. Said I'm so sick of love songs, so sad and slow. Why can't I turn off the radio? Hi Kyle, gotta fix that calendar I have. Let's mark July 15. But since there's no more you, there's no more anniversary. I'm so fed up with my thoughts of you and your memory. Now every song reminds of what used to be. That's the reason I'm so sick of love songs, so tired of tears, so done with wishing you were still here. Said I'm so sick of love songs, so sad and slow. Why can't I turn on the radio? Leave me alone. Stupid love songs don't make me think about her smile or having my first child. I'm letting go, turning off the radio, 'cause I'm so sick of love songs, so tired of tears, so done with wishing you were still here. Said I'm so sick of love songs, so sad and slow. Why can't I turn on the radio? Said I'm so sick of love songs, so tired of tears, so done with wishing you were still here. Said I'm so sick of love songs, so sad and slow. Why can't I turn off the radio? So why can't I turn off the radio? Thank you so much, that's so sick. Ayan, bye Leo. Thank you guys for dropping and more animated gifts, please. Thank you so much. Ayan, welcome sa ating mga ate. Shout out Ate Melanie and Ate Rhea, the Maricoy Tandems. Woo! Let's go. Oh, old love daw. Sige. Kailangan may tip yan ha. Gimme. Ayan na. Lani, thank you. Hindi, okay lang, huwag nyo na i-drop. I-direct nyo na lang. Just call our admins, okay? Direct nyo na lang, be. Mahal dito eh. Thank you, Lani. Yes, thank you. Alam, internet ha, bongga. Stop that stove. Stop sing. When you were here, stars disappeared. Nothing can outshine the dress that you wear. We should be dancing, 'cause girl, you look stunning. Let's spend the night together till reach the morning. Up and above, never enough. I wanna hold your hand and show what is love. When you were smiling and when you were laughing, we should keep dancing to treasure the feelings like it's the old love. This is the way that we both wanna feel. Under the moonlight we made our first kiss. 'Cause this is the moment that you made me feel like it's the old love. Come on and hold me up, want you right here. Stay close to me so you don't feel a fear. I'll never let go, 'cause I'm just right here. When I'm with you, it's like deja vu. I realize that dreams really come true. We keep on talking for the moment we live in. Let's keep drinking till the moon disappears. You are the one that I want, the one that will stay by my side till I'm gone. The love of my life, and I'll sacrifice just for the moment we left on forever, like it's the old love. This is the way that we both wanna feel. Under the moonlight we made our first kiss. 'Cause this is the moment that you made me feel like it's the old love, love. Come on and hold me, I want you right here. Stay close to me so you don't feel the fear. I'll never let go, 'cause I'm just right here, like it's the old love. This is the way that we both wanna feel. Under the moonlight we made our first kiss. 'Cause this is the moment that you made me feel like it's the old love. Nalimutan ko yung tono. Sorry. So that's all love by UG and Putri Dahlia. Thank you. Thank you so much sa mga nagda-drop. Drop ka ulit. Hoy! Wala na yun. Pass is pass nga daw.
Sa edad mo, dapat ba hinay-hinay?
Surang kanal. Kaangski, thank you. Ah, gorgeous eyes, thank you. Ay. Pwede pa tayo mag-request, ha? Anong checking po? Ano? Ano yan? Hindi ko kabisado yung tibok kasi. Kahit anong gawin ko, pag naka-play, kaya kong sabayan, pero pagkakatay ko, hindi ko na alam. Thinking of you? O sige. Sige, pahirapan niyo ako. Kailangan worth it yan. Sound.
Reasons are easily done once you had a taste of perfection, like an apple hanging from a tree. I picked the ripest one. I still got the seed. You said move on, where do I go? I guess second best is all I will know. 'Cause when I'm with him, I am thinking of you, thinking of you. What you would do if you were the one who was spending the night. Oh, I wish that I was looking into your eyes. You're like an Indian summer in the middle of the winter, like a hard candy with a surprise center. How do I get better once I've had the best? You said there's tons of fish in the waters, oh, the waters I will dance. He kissed my lips, I taste your mouth. He pulled me in, I was disgusted with myself. 'Cause when I'm with him, I am thinking of you, thinking of you. What you would do if you were the one who was spending the night. Oh, I wish that I was looking into your the best. And yes, I do regret how I could let myself let you go. Now the lesson to learn, I touched it, I was burned. Oh, I think you should know. 'Cause when I'm with him, I am thinking of you. What you would do if you were the one who was spending the night. Oh, I wish that I was looking into your eyes, looking into your eyes. Di ba pala tapos? Looking into your eyes. Oh, won't you walk through and bust in the door and take me away? Oh, no more mistakes, 'cause in your eyes I want to stay. Thank you so much for thinking of you. Okay. Teka lang, may nag-request. Hoy, wait lang, Ate Joy, hindi ko to alam. Ano to? Ano to, Ate Joy? Pwede bang iba? Pwede ba ako mag-request iba? Hindi ko kasi to alam
alam eh. Ano ba ang kanta to? Kaya mo yan.
Eh, paano kung hindi ko nga alam nga, ne? Di ba nga, ne?
Teka lang, pakinggan natin.
Ano to?
Hindi ko to alam. Papawis, kilikili ko. Ate Joy, etong unang nag-request, pwede pakipalitan? Di ko po talaga alam, sorry. Hindi ko pa alam kung kaya ko mag-high note, titignan ko lang. Try ko lang best ko. Wala nang bawi, nag-sip na kayo eh. Paubaya, sabi ni Jake. Nako. Masakit ng noon yan. Wala mo nang papasok ng kwarto, nakafocus ako. Ay, yun na pala yun. Ito ba yun? Teka lang. Sino nag-request na tayo? Di ko alam. I can almost see it, the dream I'm dreaming, but there's a voice inside. Ang pangit naman na ito! Ba't ganun? Mas okay ito. I can almost see it, the dream I'm dreaming, but there's a voice inside my head saying you'll never reach it. Every step I'm taking, every move I make feels lost in no direction. My faith is shaking, but I gotta keep trying. Gotta keep my head held high. There's always gonna be another mountain. I'm always gonna wanna make it move. Always gonna be an uphill battle. Sometimes I'm gonna have to lose. Ain't about how fast I get there. Ain't about what's waiting on the other side. It's the climb. Rock City man will get jealous. The struggles I'm facing, the chances I'm taking, sometimes might knock me down, but no, I'm not breaking. I may not know it, but these are the moments that I'm gonna remember most. Yeah, just gotta keep going, and I gotta be strong. Just keep pushing on, 'cause there's always gonna be another mountain. I'm always gonna wanna make it move. Always gonna be an uphill battle. Sometimes I'm gonna have
and nag-request. Thank you so much. So, ayun. Thank you, Johnny Babe. Thank you po sa mga nagdo-drop while singing. Thank you so much. And kay Roxy na dumalaw pa talaga. Thank you, Tipa na. Pag ikaw nagselos pa sa akin na, ewan ko na lang. Thank you, thank you. Dancing Queen! Oh, man. Hindi ko... Paano ba yun? Huwag muna yun. Diyos ko, pinapasigaw niya ako, tapos ngayon papasayaw. Okay. Konsensya ko pa, be. Ano? Ha? Sura kanal. Aris, thank you guys. Hoy, Ate Joy, yung isang nag-request na una, wait lang guys, kasi may unang nag-request eto. Ito yung pangalawa kasi. So, nakanta ko na si The Climb. Thank you po sa nag-request and nag-tip. So, eto pong una, wala pa talaga. Alabang, mas madali. Ayan na. Wag yan, di ko kaya yan. Pinasigaw niyo ako eh. Mapapaos ako ba? Thank you Roxy. Taray, meron tayo ditong spender guest. Wow! Spender guest? Alabang mas dadali. Alam nyo, hindi ko naman kaya kantahin lahat. Hindi matinis ang aking boses. Okay? Alis na ako. Okay. Thank you. Ano yung halik sa hangin? Sino kumanta? Pwede ba pag pinabirit niyo ako, pwede ba yung susunod yung pampahinga muna? Yung chill lang, ganon, hindi yung sunod-sunod. Be, gusto mo ba hindi ako umabot ng 3 hours na live? Ganda shit. Oh my God, thank you. Kitchen na dal medley. Try ko lang to. Mag-tip kayo kung gusto nyo. Ano ba to? Titignan ko lang kung alam ko ah. Hey! Inuman na. Try lang. Tatry ko mag-rock. Kasi hindi ako nagra-rock. First time ko lang to kaya nakakantahin. Ikaw ba'y nalulungkot? Nakabalot ka ng puot? Maraming hinanakit sa mundo, eh. Di alam nung gagawin. Iupusin ang oras sa gym. Hindi ko alam na ulo. Kaibigan ko, pakinggan mo mga bulong sa'yo. Ito'y di galing sa mundo, patungo sa pangakong paraiso. Eh, wala bang sisig? Sunang talino mo, diskarte ka mo ng kano, apakan ng lahat kahit kapa mo. Nag-iingay na si Yugo. Minsan nang ano daw? Na. Ay, kaibigan ko, pakinggan mo mga bulong sa'yo. Ito'y di galing sa mundo, patungo sa pangakong paraiso. Sabi ko kasi kunin niyo si Yugo eh. ko. Thank you. Hindi ko to alam. Don't understand why I'm feeling so bad now when I know it was. Na, 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 na. Ayoko na nga. Yung maayos na nga.
You want great.
Ano na, palitan nyo na yung tip. Ay, yung tip. Hoy! Hindi yung tip. Yung kanta na request nyo, kasi hindi ko talaga alam, is either hindi ko alam at hindi ko po kaya kantahin. Kasi, ayusin nyo naman! Ayusin nyo na may request nyo. Hindi ko alam yung on this day. Grabe ya, pang matanda na talaga yan. Hindi ko na alam yan. Thank you guys for dropping. Ngayon naman, pusong ba to? May tip yan. Yung birgana yan, 5K yan eh. Tibok. Ang alam ko lang yung tibok, tibok. Joke. Mag-aantay ulit tayo ng tip. Thank you, Vince Gafford. Miss you. Thank you, Jensky. Thank you, Ayer. Pa. I'm good. Jensky, hello. Nor, thank you. Isa pa to, bumbaya daw. Ano? Bumbaya nga. Ne. Tigilan nyo nga, ne. Ano, ne. Ayusin nyo naman yung ay, nako. Paggabi nyo pa ako binabatrip plata. Basura ka na. Huwag naman yung panlalaki, yung pambabae naman, nahihirapan ako sa sobrang mababa. Sali. Naghahanap na nga ako. Thank you, dear. Tigilan mo ako, Jessa. Yung kamay ko aabot dyan sa bahay nyo.
Thank you. Thank you, guys. Ate, kasi kanino house yung TikTok nyo ni Amber? Studio yun. Studio. Thank you, Jensky. Kinakabahan na kayo, no? Hintayin niyo paglabas ko nga, ne. Hindi kayo tumigil dyan nga, ne. Ay, malilintikin nga ang taong ini, eh. Uy, alam ko naman ang iba ako. Pag ako nag-end live. Basura ka na. Ano daw? Thank you, Ayang. Thank you, Ange. Teka lang, naghahanap ako, ah. Naghahanap ako. Wait lang. Usap muna kayo dyan. Thank you, Nix. Wow, thank you! Wait lang, guys. Naghahanap ako, eh. Wow, thank you, Juliana. Ano yung sinisilip mo? Secret? Secret nga, ne! Hindi ko po alam yung ikaw ang aking mahal. Hindi ko alam yan, eh. Tahimik na. Maghintay ka ba? Umiinit na yung ulo ko. Sabi ko, huwag niyong galitin yung huwag niyong nilalabas yung anger issues ko. Bait-bait pa. Oh, yun na lang. Di lang ikaw. Para umiyak to. Di lang ikaw. Ay. Mash up yung tugtugan natin, ah. Pagtapos ng broken, pagrarakrakin niyo ko. Ayos, ayos. Ay, po ganda. Ang kulit mo nga, ne. Hindi nga alam ng taong ina, eh. Ninaw pa siya sabi nga, ne. Sorry nga, ne. Di ba, ne? Basura ka na. Ang pusali. Be, wag kayong makampante, ha. Tingnan nyo, 30K ang goal natin. 4K pa lang to. Gigigil ako sa inyo, ha. Kayo kumanta dito, ako mag-drop. Serious na. Uy, wait ako, bumaba na ako. Di na ako tatawa. Huwag niyo
kasi. Pakina na to ha. Ayan na, may sulat na. Sabi ko na buti hindi ako kumakanta agad eh. Ang baba naman. Ang baba naman ha. Ang ganda ng request mo ha. Sino to? Sino to? Mawawala yung malangal ako dito. Pwede po ba higher offer? Hintayin natin. Sino yung nag-request nun? Kailangan kong malaman. Mahirap mag-request. Grabe. Sige na nga, dahil, ano ko ba sasabihin? Teka lang, ganito dapat. Wait lang, lakas ng echo eh. Ang tip nyo ay naaayon nga lang nga sa aking performance nga okay? Ang iyong tip ay depende sa performance ng taong ini. Ang inyong tip nga okay? Okay. Sige, ikakana ko to. Pero, depende sa tip nga Kaya wag mag-expect nga okay? Pwede ka na pang DJ, totoo. Wish 1,075. Ala, napaks yung kain, di ako to eh. Napapagod na ako kakasalita. Sound check, sound. Sawa ba't ganyan? Sound check. Sound. Sound check, sound check, sound check, mic, test mic. Naiya ako ba? Defying gravity. Nayaman ako. Ay! Nakatuwa mo ka. Ano? Umabak ka? Ano? Teka lang, ikaw. Aray! Eh, pag ako pumatol sa'yo nga, Ay, putik. Di na nakasimula nga, Ang gulo mo, O, sige, kurutin mo na lang. Huwag nang kumanta. Kurutin mo na lang ako ng kurutin. Tapos na? Daddy! Hindi na nakakanta.
mamatay na yung sound card, di ko alam kung maabot.
Something has changed within me. Something is not the same. I'm through with playing by the rules of someone else's game. Too late for second guessing. Too late to go back to sleep. It's time to trust my instincts. Close my eyes and believe. It's time to try defying gravity. I think I'll try defying gravity, and you can pull me down. I'm through accepting limits, 'cause someone says that's so. Some things I cannot change. Until I try, I'll never know. Too long I've been afraid of losing love. I guess I'm wrong. Well, if that's love, it comes at much too high a cost. I should live by defying gravity. Kiss me goodbye, I'm defying gravity, and you can pull me down. Unlimited, together we're unlimited. Together we'll be the greatest team there's ever been. Gliding our dreams the way we planned them. If we work in tandem, there's no fight we cannot win. Just you and I, defying gravity. With you and I, defying gravity. You'll never bring us down.
Ay, kagulo talaga ng...
I hope you're happy now that you're listening.
Uy, Charlize, I miss you.
Uy, hindi ko na to kaya, promise.
I hope you're happy in the end. I hope you're happy, my friend.
I'm the one you want. I'm the one you want. It's me.
It's me. No wizard that there is or was is ever gonna bring me down.
Thank you! Thank you so much, Densifying Gravity. Thank you, Jensi. Wish 1,075.
Bear Band lang ang liwanag.
Dali na, mag-request pa ulit bago malobat. Bago malobat, bago ma-deadbat. Kasi lowbat na talaga. Thank you po. Thank you, Ate Rhea. Thank you, Ate Melanie. Ano yan? Thank you, 333. Ewan ko. Lumabas. Bakit nasa kwarto? Whiskas, thank you. Love on the Brain. Try ko ha. Hindi ko na kasi kinakanta yan eh. Okay, magsi-sexy dance naman tayo ngayon.
And your body like, oh, what you want from me? I tried to buy a pretty heart, but price too high.
But if I just to get close to you, I'll run for miles just to get a taste. Must be love on the brain, yeah. It's got me feeling this way. It's like I do it first. Nalimutan ko na. On the brain, yeah. And it gives girls with my name. No matter what I do, I'm no good without you, and I can't get enough. Must be love on the brain. Then you keep loving me. Tama ba? Hinuhulaan ko lang. Tagal ko na ito hindi kinakanta. Like Hindi ko talaga alam, sorry. Sige, Duyan, try natin. Pagod na yung boses ko eh. Pag nalobat yung sound card, magpa-drop tayo after this kasi feeling ko mamamatay eh. Siyempre, ayoko pa mag-end, no? Wala pa nagpapamalaki sa akin na animated clips. Baba? Dito sa aking dibdib, ako ay inuyan mo. Ang bisig mo'y ulan ko. Dahang-dahang kumakambay, habang nakadantay, yakap sa bawat imbay. Ako ay inuyan mo. Ikaw ang tulungan ko. Tono nito. Parang musika ang naririnig, tuwing mahal kita'y mamumutawi sa iyong pitig. Pabulong mo pang sinasambit, tila mo mapatal ang bawat saglit. Nagkailang hiling na rin sa ating darating ang dumadalaw na bulala ko. Kung maaari mo, napating ang tulad mong may sulang araw at magbigay ng signal. Ngayon sa buhay ko nariyan ka na. Ako ay iduyan mo. Ang bisig mo'y ulan ko. Dahang-dahang kumakampay, habang nakadantay, magyakap sa bawat imbay. Ako ay iduyan mo. Ikaw ang kalungan ko. you so much, Julian. May Sarah G. Nahanap na si Mare.
Lipat na sa...
Ayan na si Mare ko eh. Andiyan na sila ulit. Ang mga Mare. Pambansang Mare. Request ulit daw. Sige. Bago pa mamatay, naghihingalo na to eh. Sige, ano. Basta hindi po mahirap ha. Nag-iingay kasi naka-charge. Papilayat. Diyan! Ano po ang request? Hoy, grabe naman, Atilia. Joke lang yun. Tinutuon nyo eh. Thank you! Ano na? Tagal na Mary Joy. Thank you, Ja. Kailangan ng parental guidance. Andito kasi si Pao. Ano to, Vic?
I didn't think you'd understand me. I don't wanna tiptoe, but I don't wanna hide. But I don't wanna feed this monstrous fire. Just wanna let this story die, and I'll be alright. We
Charge lang guys, wait lang.
but I'd like to just pretend. You cling to your papers and pens. Wait until you like me again. Wait for your love, my love. I'll wait for your love. Me and my truth, we sit in silence. Baby girl, it's just me and you. 'Cause I don't wanna argue, but I don't wanna bite my tongue. Yeah, I think I'd rather die. You got me misunderstood, but at least I look this good. We can't be friends, but I'd like to just pretend. You cling to your papers and pens. Wait until you like me again. Wait for your love, my love. I'll wait for your love. I'll wait for your love, my love. I'll wait for your love. Know that you made me. I don't like how you paid me, yet I'm still here hanging. Know what you made me. It's something like a daydream, but it feels so seen in the night. Something new, it's only me, and maybe that's all I need. We can't be friends, but I'd like to just pretend. You cling to your papers and pens. Wait until you like me again. Wait for your love, my love. I'll wait for your love. I'll wait for your love, my love. I'll wait for your love. I didn't think you'd understand me. How could you ever even try? I don't wanna tip.
Eh di wow notification. Eh di wow nga ni. What happened bro? Uy, last drop na tayo guys. If it's your first time. Try natin pretty little bit. Thank you, CC3. Thank you, Jensky. Ba yun? Pretty little baby. Pretty little baby. Pretty little baby. You said it, baby. You've been thinking of me and try to love me, pretty little baby. I'm hoping that you do. You can ask the flowers, I sing for hours, telling all the bluebirds they'll be like bluebirds, pretty little baby. I'm so in love with you. Now is just the time, one more that's young, puppy lovers have its day. Don't you know it's much more to love while our hearts young and gay? Meet me at the car hop or at the pub shop. Meet me in the moonlight or in the daylight, pretty little baby. I'm so in love with you. Give it 3 years. Thank you, Tia. Now is just the time when one of us are young, puppy lovers have its day. Don't you know it's much more fun to love while the heart is young and gay? Meet me at the bar or at the pub shop. Meet me in the moonlight or in the daylight, pretty little baby. I'm so in love with you. Pretty little baby. Pretty little baby. Pretty little baby. Yun na pala yun. Thank you, that's pretty little baby. Puro yun na may narinig. Oy, last drop, last drop, last drop. Let's go, come on.
Mag-bear brand ka.
Oo nga, let's go. Try nga natin yung multo.
Karaoke TV.
Try lang. Unang malalim, pumikit ang mata, at baka sakaling namamalig mata pabayan na sana. Dahil sa bawat tingin, mukha mo'y nakikita. Kahit saan man mapunta ay may pumapit sa'king kamay. Ako'y dahan-dahan dinilibin ng buhay ko. Thank you. Hindi na makalaya, inaranong mo ko bawat gabi. Wala mang nakikita, hapos mo'y ramdam pa rin sa dilim. Hindi na nananaginip, hindi na makakagising, pasindi na nakilaw. Minuto na ako ng damdamin ko, ng damdamin ko. Di mo ba ako lilisanin? Di mo ba sapat magpapahirap sa'kin? Di na ba mamaya pa? Di na ba mamaya pa? And Pandas, thank you. Bia, thank you. Tanong mo ko bawat gabi, wala mang nakikita, hapos mo'y ramdam pa rin sa dilim. Hindi na nanaginip, hindi na makakagising, pasindi na nakilaw. Minuto na ako ng damdamin ko, ng damdamin ko. Di ba ako lilisanin? Hindi mo ba sapat magpapahirap sa'kin? Di na ba mamaya pa? Di na ba mamaya pa? Thank you so much, Das Multo by Cup of Joe. Thank you, everyone.
Power.
Good night, Bia. Thank you. Pretty little baby, I have. Pretty little baby. Ayan, thank you so much sa mga nagla-last drop dyan, sa mga nag-drop, and lalo na sa mga nag-tip, and sa mga nag-stay dito sa live ko. Thank you so much, guys. Have a great night, everybody. Good night, everyone. Wow, thank you, Ria, sa pahabol. Thank you, guys, for the tips and all, for the love. Thank you.